Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. This video continues with tips for grilling, achieving the perfect golden crust, and avoiding common mistakes when making Reubens. What makes a Reuben sandwich so good? The magic of a Reuben lies in its flavor profile. You have the salty, savory punch of the corned beef, which provides a heavy base. The Swiss cheese adds a nutty, mild creaminess that acts as a glue for the other layers. Then comes the sauerkraut, offering a sharp, acidic crunch that cuts right through the richness of the meat and cheese. Finally, the earthy caraway seeds in the rye bread add a subtle spice that ties everything together. Grilling the sandwich is the most important part of the process. If you just assemble these ingredients cold, you're missing out on the best part. Grilling transforms the bread into a golden, crunchy shell. It also softens the sauerkraut and wilts the meat, allowing the flavors to fuse into a single, cohesive bite. A cold Reuben is just a sandwich. A grilled Reuben is a warm, gooey experience that engages all your senses. Essential ingredients for the best results. To get the best results, you have to start with high-quality components. Don't settle for pre-packaged, rubbery meat. Corned beef. Visit your local deli counter and ask for thin, ribbon-like slices. If it's too thick, the sandwich becomes hard to chew. If you have leftovers from a home-cooked brisket, even better. Swiss cheese. Look for an authentic Swiss or Emmental. It needs to have a good meltability and a slightly sharp flavor to stand up to the beef. The bread. Use a firm-seeded rye or marble rye. It needs to be thick enough to hold the wet ingredients without turning into mush. The dressing. People often confuse Russian dressing with Thousand Island dressing. While they look similar, Russian dressing is usually spicier. It often contains horseradish and chili sauce, giving it a kick that balances the sweet mayo base. Thousand Island is much sweeter and usually contains pickle relish. For a true Reuben, the spice in the Russian dressing is a must. The secret to the perfect golden crust. The texture of the bread decides whether your sandwich is a success or a failure. The secret is buttering the outside of the rye bread from edge to edge. Some people prefer using a thin layer of mayonnaise on the outside of the bread because it has a higher smoke point and creates an incredibly even brown crust. Whichever you choose, make sure the coating is even. Heat control is your best friend here. If your pan is too hot, the bread will burn before the cheese has a chance to turn into a melty liquid. Keep your stove at a medium to medium-low setting. This slower process gives the internal ingredients time to warm up. For the best squish, use a heavy skillet or a panini press. Applying a little weight to the sandwich while it cooks helps the cheese bond with the sauerkraut and meat, ensuring nothing slides out when you take a bite. Ingredient role in the sandwich best choice. Corned beef savory, salty protein thinly sliced deli style. Swiss cheese creamy binder Emmental or aged Swiss. Sauerkraut acidic crunch fermented, well drained. Rye bread flavorful base seeded or marble rye. Dressing tangy, spicy sauce authentic Russian dressing. Mastering these techniques ensures a melty, flavorful sandwich every time.